Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fairy Watercolor. My name is Alina and today we will paint a beautiful orange pumpkin. We need only 4 colors and 2 brushes, but you can take similar colors. I use size 1 and 9 synthetic brushes, and I paint in a sketchbook with 100% cotton paper. We also need a pencil and a kneaded eraser. The reference is under this video. First, we make a sketch. I draw the shape of the pumpkin with a pencil. I don't press hard, so the paper will not be damaged. I draw a flat round shape and then add the pumpkin parts. Now I cover the pumpkin with clean water, but I leave the stem dry. I mix orange with yellow. Remember to always add water to the paint before using it. I paint the first layer, white on the top, stronger color on the bottom. With a clean, almost dry brush, I remove the paint where I want highlights. I wash and dry my brush every time before removing paint. Now I add more color. Don't be afraid to use bright paint. The paper will take 30% of the contrast. If I want lighter color, I wash my brush in water and dry it with paper towel. For shadows, I mix red with ultramarine. This makes the pumpkin look more contrast and gives it volume. I also use this mix to paint the ribs on the stem. With light ultramarine, he adds more shadow between the part. At the end of the stem, the color looks warmer. I also add shadow on the pumpkin from the stem. For this I use light red. The hard edges of the shadow become soft with water and semi-dry brush. Finally, I add some darker shadows for stronger contrast. Now our pumpkin is ready. The light side looks very nice next to the shadow side. I really like it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more watercolor tutorials.